Hello everyone, I am going to explain you the process of transcription. Okay, in central dogma, we have seen that the DNA has dual function. DNA form its during replication form its DNA copy, and in heterocatalytic function, when DNA enters in transcription, then it forms messenger RNA, and messenger RNA translated into protein. So these things we have to understand now. So what happens in transcription? Transcription is defined. First of all, you know the definition of transcription. The process of copying genetic information from one strain. Here I have marked two strains. So one strain here, red strain, is said to be one strain of DNA into RNA. That this term, template strain, when transcribed from the messenger RNA, here the codage are written. The messenger RNA works like a code of nitrogenous bases for particular amino acid. Okay, so this is the process of transcription. We can also define that in this process the polynucleotide changes into polynucleotide. So it is called transcription. It doesn't form the exact copy, neither semi-conservative. Okay, so it when transcribed, here also complementarity is governs this principle. Try to understand. Again, I have written here the principle of complementarity. Principle of complementarity means adenine always paired with thymine and cytosine with guanine. Watson and Crick model, remember. So this principle also apply here, and with the help of this complementarity, so many difficult questions you can easily solve by understanding this one. So what happened? Only in transcription, only one segment of DNA and only one strain, not both the strain, only one strain and only one segment. This is unlike to replication of DNA, autocatalytic, remember again, in autocatalytic function. Both the strains will replicated, but here only one strain. The strain which is going to be transcribed is called template strain, and the strain which is not going to be transcribed is called coding strain. Why it is called coding strain? Because the messenger RNA which is formed, which is transcribed with the help of template strain and its complementary form, only the difference is that since it is messenger RNA, so in RNA you know thymine is not there. So thymine is replaced by uracil. You can see here in the code easily. I will later on come to this point. So what are the units required for this transcription? Here we have mentioned there are 3 units of transcription. 3 units are required for transcription. These are transcriptional units. First is your promoter. One promoter is required. Another structural gene. Structural gene means the gene, the code, basis, code of basis, and a sugar phosphate base form a gene. So gene, a structural gene which is going to be transcribed is the first one. Promoter that can start the termination at a particular site, and there must be a terminator that ends the process. I have already discussed that not the entire set of DNA is transcribed. We require a segment, one small segment of DNA. आप इसको ऐसे समझो, थोड़ा सा मैं हिंदी में आप लोगों को बताने की कोशिश करूँगा कि कोई हम कैसे रेगुलेट और कंट्रोल होते हैं, जीन हमें कैसे कंट्रोल करता है. तो जीन बेस के पेयर में है और जीन पर एडेनिन, थायमिन, साइटोसिन, ग्वानिन के रूप में कोड है बेस का। अब वो बेस के पेयर्स जो होते हैं, बेस के जो कोड होते हैं, वो कुछ कोड मिल करके एक जीन को जीन देते हैं। जीन एक यूनिट ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस, एक कैरेक्टर देता है। जैसे हम इंसान हैं, हम शुगर खाएंगे तो हमें स्वीट टेस्ट होगा, तो ये टेस्ट जो हमें फीलिंग होगा ये हमारे नेचर में है, कैरेक्टर में है। हम कोई चीज़ कोई हैप्पी न्यूज़ दे करके खुश हो जाते हैं तो मुस्कुराते हैं, तो उस समय मुंह का डिजाइन कुछ और होगा। कभी हमको रोना होता है, सैड होना होता है, तो उस समय चेहरे का डिजाइन आपका कुछ और होगा। तब जब आपको दुख करना है तो उस समय आपको एक दूसरे तरह के प्रोटीन बनने होंगे, और जब खुशी है तो दूसरे तरह की प्रोटीन बननी है। अब प्रोटीन कैसे बनेगी? तो प्रोटीन बनाने के लिए सेंट्रल डोग्मा ट्रांसलेशन होगा मैसेंजर आरएनए का। अब मैसेंजर आरएनए कौन बनाएगा? तो डीएनए ही बनाएगा। इसीलिए डीएनए प्रोटीन और मैसेंजर आरएनए के मदद से टोटल बायोकेमिकल मशीनरी को रेगुलेट और कंट्रोल करता है। ठीक है, कैसे करता है? अब इसको आंसर हम देते हैं कि जैसे कोई चिकन खाता है तो चिकन उसके शरीर में क्यों नहीं बनता? चिकन फिर डाइजेस्ट होकर के फिर वो इंसान ही बनता है। वो दाल खाता है तो दाल नहीं बनता उसके शरीर में, पेड़ पौधे नहीं बनते, फिर वो ही इंसान बनता है। क्यों बनता है? इसी क्वेश्चन का आंसर इस पूरे चैप्टर में आई विल ट्राई टू गिव यू। ओके, अब ये कैसे होता है ये पूरी मशीनरी हम लोग यहाँ देखेंगे। तो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, इन ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, इन ट्रांसक्रिप्शन the two strands of DNA are written in 3 to 5 prime direction and 5 to 3 prime direction, antiparallel. So here one promoter is attached with the template strand. We take the reference as a coding strand showing 5 prime direction of a string. The promoter is attached. Okay, and terminator is attached to the 3 prime direction downstream where the transcription stops. So promoter starts, terminator stop, and between the two, these segments are DNA. Here they are going to be, they are structural gene going to be transcribed. Let the structural gene I have taken as adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. ATGC, ATGC, ATGC. This is the code of template strand which is going to be transcribed. Try to understand. Now, again, the wind up helical enzyme winding the process with the help of transcriptional unit, and there the DNA dependent here RNA polymerase. Remember one difference from replication to transcription. In replication, DNA dependent DNA polymerase catalyze the reaction, but here डीएनए डिपेंडेंट, वो डिपेंड कर रहा है डीएनए को, बट है आरएनए को पॉलीमराइज करने वाला। इसलिए डीएनए डिपेंडेंट आरएनए पॉलीमरेज एंजाइम कैटलाइजेस द रिएक्शन। वो लगेगा, प्रोमोटर इज ऑलरेडी देयर एंड देन द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन स्टार्ट। सो व्हेन ट्रांसक्रिप्शन स्टार्ट, द टेम्पलेट स्टेट फॉर्म इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री स्टेट। द डिफरेंस इज since the messenger RNA is going to be formed, so at the place of thymine there will be uracil. So just try to understand from here. Adenine, when adenine transcribe, it forms thymine. So at the place of thymine there must be uracil. Thymine, adenine, guanine, cytosine, cytosine, guanine, adenine, again thymine. So at the thymine is replaced by uracil. Thymine, adenine, guanine, cytosine, cytosine, guanine, adenine, thymine, then uracil, thymine, adenine, guanine, cytosine, cytosine, guanine. So when there is a code of ATGC, ATGC, the transcribed messenger RNA having UACG, 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 UACG. When there is a code of maybe any type of code will be there. So when the code will be adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine means ATGC, then it transcribe the messenger RNA having code of UACG. Thymine is replaced by uracil. When now try to compare this code, which is the messenger RNA transcribed during the process, when these three units work together and transcription process proceeds, then it forms messenger RNA. This compare the code of messenger RNA with this coding strand. This one is the coding strand. You just make it, this is the code of this and this is the code of this. Okay, so I have written slide closure. You consider this one for that and this one for that. Okay, so in this way here when we compare the code of messenger RNA to this coding strand, which is not going to be transcribed, then we see that it has TACG, complementary of ATGC. It has TACG, but it has UACG. So TACG, at the place of TACG, there is a UACG. It means the coding strand is similar to the messenger RNA. That's why it is called coding strand. The code of messenger RNA is similar to the coding strand, only at the place of thymine there will be uracil. Remember? So in this way, if such type of questions asked in your chapter, you come to the question answer last of the chapter. You have a question. Question number 3. If the sequence of one strand of DNA is written as 5' to 3' direction, ATGC, write down the sequence of complementary strand in 5' to 3' direction. Now here 5' to 3' direction is very important. So you will have to write its complementary and then make it according to the direction upstream and downstream 5' to 3'. 4th number question. If the sequence of coding strand means this strand, this coding strand in 5' to 3', if the sequence of coding strand in transcriptional unit, this unit is written as, here written, this code is written as ATGC like this, ATGC. अब देखो ठीक से समझ लो, इसमें 3 बातें हैं, तीन यहाँ कोड है। एक है जो टेम्पलेट स्टैंड पर है, दूसरा है जो कोडिंग स्टैंड पर है, तीसरा जो मैसेंजर आरएनए ट्रांसक्राइब किया। अब इस तीनों में से कोई एक आपको दिया जाए तो आप 2 आराम से लिख सकते हो। कैसे लिख सकते हो? यदि तुम्हें मैसेंजर आरएनए नहीं दिया हुआ है और कोडिंग पूछा जाए तो सीधे क्या लिख देना है? यही लिख देना है कोडिंग स्ट्रैंड के रूप में, यूरेसिल के जगह थाइमिन लिख देना, तो ये हो जाएगा। जैसे यहाँ लिखा हुआ है UACG, तो वहाँ लिखोगे TACG। अब TACG यहाँ आ गया तो इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्या होगा? तो TA का एडेनिन का थाइमिन, साइटोसिन का ग्वानिन, ग्वानिन का साइटोसिन, तो ऊपर हो जाएगा ATGC। होगा कि नहीं होगा? तो इन दिस वे एनी कोड whatever be, try to know the concept. If your concept is clear, then in medical or in NEET examination many questions are asked. They will try to teach you, so you can easily solve your problem regarding this. Another thing you know, only one strand acts as a template. Why? What is the reason for that? If 2 transcribed messenger RNA, if 2 strand works, both they work like a replication, works as a template. So 2 messenger RNA will be formed, and the transcribed messenger RNA having 2 different code for 2 different amino acids. They cannot, when you learn the genetic code, I have already given this in my video, you remember this. You will watch this through Royal Edition. Okay. I have given the genetic code, salient feature of genetic code. So after this, I have already given. So when you relate, your total this chapter will be covered. Okay. So only translation is left and transcription in eukaryote. In next video, I will explain. Okay. So in this way, two transcribed messenger RNA having two different कोड फॉर अमीनो एसिड, तो आपको मुस्कुराना है और उसी समय रोने वाला आ जाएगा, तो कैसे मुस्कुराते समय रो सकते हैं आप? योर फंक्शन विल बी अपसेट, यू कांट, पागल तो है नहीं वो आप, है ना, जीन कैनॉट वर्क्स प्रॉपरली. सो इन दिस वे ओनली वन टेम्पलेट, one strand of DNA acts as a template. Secondly, two transcribed messenger RNA would be complementary. If two transcribed RNA, they are complementary to one another. So complementary strand may form the double-stranded RNA. So when they form double-stranded RNA, they cannot go into the ribosome for translation. In translation, the messenger RNA enter into the ribosome. Right? The site of ribosome is fit for the only one messenger RNA, not both the messenger RNA double-stranded RNA cannot go inside the ribosome. So whole translation cannot be done. Okay. So only one strand is going to be transcribed. Secondly, DNA-dependent RNA polymer, I have already discussed that they catalyze the reaction. Reaction in only one direction, transcription or replication, only occurs in up to down, yani means 5 prime to 3 prime direction. Remember, and 3 prime to 5 prime strand act as a template. तो जब ये 5 prime to 3 prime में ट्रांसक्रिप्शन होगा, तो which template will work as a, अब बताइए, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन हो रहा है 5 प्राइम टू 3 प्राइम, तो इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कौन होगा? कौन स्ट्रैंड वर्क एक्ट करेगा टेम्पलेट के तरह? ऑलवेज द स्ट्रैंड विच हैविंग पोलैरिटी 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम. सो कौन है इसमें? 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम वाला. जैसे भी देखिएगा ऊपर वाला रेड वाला, तो जैसे ही 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम डायरेक्शन वाला स्ट्रैंड देखिए, दैट वर्क्स एज अ टेम्पलेट. 5 प्राइम टू 3 प्राइम डजंट वर्क्स एज अ. Okay, so in this way you have, I think you have got this point that what is the transcription and how and where it takes place. Then we discuss the next topic, that is the transcription in prokaryotes and transcription in eukaryotes. What is the difference? Okay, next topic. This is the transcriptional unit and the process of transcription. Thank you.